Hey guys, I'm Tomboy Mia, and yeah, he's Demon 7, amazing. Cuties is Turtle. So you're probably wondering where's Josen. Josen is trapped on my laptop. Wait for a while. Go. Guys, help me! I'm trapped on the laptop! It's really cold, that's why I'm wearing blanket. It's really cold there. Guys, help me! Go. Yeah, it's really frightened. Dog chase the oh my god. So we're gonna do the tomboy hair turtle. So come on. Go. Okay. Just wait for a while. I'm just gonna get my phone. My rubber band. Go. Now I have my rubber band. Go. Now I'm gonna do the hair turtle. So I'm gonna flip my hair over. I'm gonna flip my hair just like this. So here's it. I'm like crazy. So that's the hair tutorial for the tomboys. Now for the dress. Go. Hey, not this dress. I don't like this dress. It's meant for girly girl. For girly girl dress. Girly girl dress. I don't like this dress. I have to change another dress. We go. This dress is I want. Like a basketball short. Oh my god, I really like this thing. So for the clothes, we're shorts like a basketball thing. I really like basketball. That's my sports. Yeah, because I'm a tomboy. So next is the striped t-shirt or some t-shirts that you want. For a tomboy t-shirt like Captain Marvel, Superman, Spider-Man, things like that. Because this is my sister's dress. Yeah. So for the down, I'm just gonna get my slippers. Go. Oh my god. What's this? Those shoes? This came from my girl sister, Rosine. Yeah. I hate this thing. Change again. There you go. Not these sandals. I hate sandals. I don't even know how I walk in sandals. That feels hurt, okay? So I don't want the sandals. Here's my flip-flops. I'm just gonna wear this thing. It's really crazy. I really like sandals. Okay. Get on. So yeah. Go. So now you can see these pants. Okay, if you want to get a shout out on next week's video, just comment down below. Are you a girly girl or a tomboy? Yeah. Here's the shout out from last week's video. So yeah, just check their email. Yeah. So see you guys next week on set.